You're so beautiful. You make my day every day, and I love you. You just look so amazing, and you taste like wonders.
It feels as if I'm starting my life all over again. Even though I'm in the same place, it feels so different. It feels like someone's just flipped a switch in my head and turned me into a completely different person. Like, I know it's a long process. Come to terms with who you are and all that. Finding yourself. But maybe self-discovery isn't all that it cracked up to be. Jamie,
Yeah?
I made you a mixtape.
Why?
Just because.
Just because what, Sam?
Just because I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Yeah, I'm just sorry because I'm never meant to ruin things, our friendship.
I know.
What do you mean,
I was in the wrong, Sam. I reacted badly. I shouldn't have done that.
No, Jay. I shouldn't have just told you like that and just let you accept it.
But,
No, Jay, we're fine.
okay, we're good. Are we cool? We're good? One more thing.
Yeah?
Are you, actually a lesbian?
Yeah, I think so, Jay.